This is BOLA from Lumacast. It's artfully designed to create a centerpiece for your family and guests, for meaningful conversations and memories that last a lifetime. With clean lines, a softly rounded base, giving a subtle touch of modernity. Available in 10 colors and 7 sizes to fit your space perfectly. The smooth, elegant surface provides an expanded space for beverages or small platters, perfect for entertaining and relaxation around the highest quality patented fire system you will ever feel. BOLA is made to order. Our high-performance GFR concrete shell not only provides amazing design that appeals to the sight and touch, but creates a low-maintenance product backed up by an industry-leading 5-year warranty. We've made the ordering process on our website streamlined to provide an easy experience. Simply choose your model, size, color, and fire options. And if you have any questions, our team is available to answer. The experience doesn't end with your order. We hand-pack your item for safe transit, and we have a white glove option that delivers to your door and installation to your living space. Visit our website to begin your journey with Lumacast. The fire feature experience refined.